Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts. And today I'm doing another experiment where I picked these flowers. I think they're called Japanese cherry blossoms. They're so beautiful and vibrant, and I want to put them in UV resin to make a pair of earrings. I didn't have any of the resin trays, so I have my trusty glow forge and I cut a frame out of wood that I'm going to use to make my earrings. So here I am cutting just some little gold pieces to put in there. I really wanted some glitter, but I didn't have any glitter. I'm up in North Carolina and I'm trying to make myself use what I have instead of running to the store every 5 seconds to buy some stuff. I'm using some tempera paint sticks to paint my wood. I got these a little package of these from Michael's a long time ago. I've attached my wood pieces to some tape to secure them. So I'm getting ready to. I'm going to lay down one thin layer of resin and cure it first. I'm using J. Dixon High Gloss UV Resin. This is my first time using this High Gloss by J. Dixon. I've used another brand, another of J. Dixon's resins that was recommended by J.C. Chandler. So we'll see how this High Gloss works. I consider this a fail because I have all these little voids in here, so I don't know what I did wrong, but I'll try again another time. But this is my first time working with real flowers. So we'll give it another go at another time. All right, good people, this is Sherry. Uh, Leave me a comment, give me some help if you can help me. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.